Hi there, Jeremy, Director of On Reiki here. In this video, what I'd like to do is talk to you about the benefits of taking a Reiki course. Now, the most obvious benefit of taking a course is that learning Reiki will enable you to connect to what the Japanese call ki, or what's better known as chi or energy. And it'll mean that by taking a course, you are then going to very effortlessly be able to channel this ki both to heal yourself and to heal others. Now, that latter point is really important, and it's a great thing about Reiki in that it's not just a practice for yourself. Although it's very valuable to work on yourself, it's something you really can share, and you can share almost immediately having learnt Reiki. And I remember, if I think back, I started my kind of spiritual journey with meditation, and I love meditation and I got so much from it. But when I talked to my friends about it, they would always look at me somewhat skeptically and say, so you're telling me you just kind of sit still and try not to think? Wow, that sounds really exciting. And it was very hard for me to convey my experiences. But as soon as I learnt Reiki, I had a way to almost give them a taste of what I was experiencing. I could kind of transfer my experiences. And so that's a really wonderful thing. It's a great gift you can share with others. Now, what can we use this kind of healing energy for? Well, Reiki's often used for emotional issues. A lot of my clients will come to me for things like, say, depression, just emotional, deep-seated emotional issues which they're struggling to cure, and they find that getting Reiki often shifts their mood. And I've seen students of mine actually go from being depressed, from being in a state where they say, you know what, I can't even find any reason to get out of bed in the morning, to waking up feeling excited by all the things I've got to do that day. So it can make a great change to the mood of people. And you also find that many people come due to sort of relationship issues. Maybe they've had a bad breakup and they're hurting inside, and they want a tool to kind of ease the pain, to clear it away and to be able to move on. And many people find Reiki effective for that too. Now, it's also good for just pure physical things. So one category of physical issue is acute conditions. So they're conditions that you haven't had very long. It might be something like the flu. You get the flu, the body feels very run down, you've lost all your energy. And again, my experience is that with Reiki, the body balances itself energetically, and before you know it, it starts to really be able to heal itself, and often recovery is really greatly accelerated. Now, similarly with chronic conditions, these are conditions that have been around for some time, it's a little bit more challenging, but again, I find that often Reiki incrementally, so usually just step by step by step by step, can help to kind of improve a condition. Now, I want to say right away that nothing I'm saying on this video to do with Reiki and health has been scientifically proven. I'm talking from my own experience, from the experience I've had with, well over 1,000 students and many, many more people I've worked with. But with Reiki, you can never make any medical promises. So I'm not promising that Reiki can do anything. I'm not saying it categorically can do anything. I'm just talking from my personal experience for informational purposes. So, don't drop whatever medication you're on if you're on medication and try Reiki and then, come and sue me if, things aren't working out too well. Just, if you want, experiment. I'm sure you'll find, well, I'm confident you'll find that Reiki works well, but it is an experiment, and definitely don't drop any medication if you're on that. Okay, having got that cleared away, let me continue. And I'd like to say that Reiki also, I've found it to be quite useful for physical sort of sports injuries, so injury recovery. So if you've maybe injured your knee or injured your ankle, often working with Reiki can help speed up the healing process. Now note, in all these things, Reiki is not some magic pill you can take that just instantly gets rid of whatever it is you're suffering from. Sometimes with acute conditions, sometimes if you've got something like a headache, Reiki seems to be very good at getting rid of that headache pretty quickly. But for a lot of issues, what it does is it really just accelerates recovery. Now, another thing Reiki can do for you is give you more energy. So sometimes people come along before a session, they're feeling very lethargic, they're feeling down on energy, and they find that Reiki gives them a boost, it energizes them. Other people come because they're stressed. Sometimes you get workaholics or people who just can't slow down. And often these people are not people you'd normally associate with a thing like Reiki. In fact, many of these people are a little bit embarrassed even to come along to a course or to get a healing session. But they've been feeling stressed for a long time and they're a little bit desperate and they're like, I need a tool. And maybe they've tried things like meditation and found it just too difficult. They can't slow down their mind. So they try Reiki because Reiki is something that's very easy to learn. And even if your mind's busy, the Reiki energy can still flow and that will settle you down. So it's really good actually for just relaxing you and increasing your overall sense of well-being. Other people come because they've got questions on their mind and they don't really have any clarity. And so they find that by receiving Reiki, what it does is it boosts their energy levels, and with that they often find that their clarity improves. So suddenly they just have, it's clear in their mind what they should do. And so they've been maybe going around sort of intellectually trying to work out an answer for a very long time, but then that Reiki session just kind of tips them over the edge in a positive way, and they're like, yes, I know now what I should do. Now, similarly to this, Reiki is very good at helping and enhancing your intuition. And so that might be one reason why it helps clarity, because just intuitively on some deep inner level, you often then are guided towards the right course of actions, and you're just guided towards some answer you've been seeking for some time. Similarly, people who are that sort of psychically inclined, so people who already often have a little bit of this gift, find that that's further enhanced by Reiki. I've had many people who work as psychics and mediums and things come to my courses, and pretty well they all say that the Reiki helps them to kind of take their work up to a new level. Now, on this note, I should point out that many people get a sort of a secondary benefit from Reiki. So over and above the benefits Reiki has in itself, if they're practicing another modality, they find that it typically enhances that. In fact, this is an important point, and I've made another video just talking to this point about who can really benefit from taking a Reiki course. And I'll talk a lot about people who are working with other healing modalities, other energy systems, and how Reiki will help that. But for now, I'll just say that it really does enhance anything else you do. It really complements it beautifully. And so what you'll find then overall is that Reiki just has so many benefits to it. And one of the great things about it is the energy, the Reiki energy actually is a balancing energy. So it's kind of almost tailor-made for every individual. For every person, it's going to show up differently, it's going to work differently, because everyone is different. So they have different energetic needs, they've got different issues that need to be worked on, and Reiki kind of molds itself to the individual. So you actually can never predict what it's going to do. But from my experience, something good always comes from a session. So if you have a Reiki healer who promises you a specific outcome, then you should treat that with skepticism. But if the Reiki healer talks a little bit more generally and says, you know what, I'm confident Reiki will do you some good, although I can't say exactly what it will be, then I think you're on much safer ground. So, if you intuitively feel drawn, go out and try Reiki, and I think you'll find that it does a lot of good for you. So thanks for watching this video. Remember, I've got plenty more videos. I've also got my video portal, which you can gain free access to. I've got information down below. So if you're interested, check out some more videos, and yeah, I'll look forward to seeing you on one of those. Thank you.